If authority shows up, do not go for your guns. If any authority, Forest Service Street cops, especially of course, do not go for your gun. Let them know, can I go for my gun and put this down? It's not real. Please play it safe. They could think it's real and they might draw a real fucking gun. So call the admins. Let us know what's up. Goggle check. Everybody has full seal goggles.
Can I wear my shot glasses?
No. God Everybody's good on goggles, yeah? Nobody needs an extra pair? Alright. We're gonna do pictures. Do we have a camera? Yep. Awesome. After the second or third game, please don't leave any garbage or anything behind. You can see there's like beer boxes up there and shit. We'll try to take that out with us.
Yeah, my God.
Oh, and Mike's our hero today. So all your trash in there, please. If you can't take it with you. And colors are already handed out. Everybody's got a color, I hope. Alright, he's on whatever team then. That's it, folks. Let's go have some fun.
Alright, if you're ready, head out to your trailhead. We're starting real soon. Finish up your load out.
I'll be right behind you, Josephine. I won't leave you waiting in this dream, while you watch the people speaking words you can't quite comprehend. You asked me if I'd pinch you, but my fingers wouldn't bend. I'll be right behind you, Josephine, just like I was when we were 17. I guess it's only been a year, but still it feels like 34. I don't feel like I am living in the same skin anymore. Now hold my hand.
Alright, we get yellow on the right, blue on the right, get yellow on the left.
Oh.
No.
Blue on the right, gun works.
Minimum engagement distance, Anthony.
We're gonna shoot right, yellow on the left.
Send
We
me
get a head
out.
count for each team.
This is 30 feet, right? That's clearly 30 feet.
30 and feet.
Look at this turnout. Good turnout today, boys. Let's go.
Alright, fine.
Don't like spice.
10
Hate
seconds
spice.
up. Cool.
Hate spice.
But not
Hey,
even if you
hey,
spice up your life.
Hey! 3 lives, 2 respawns, 10-second medic touch. Fondling is necessary.
Absolutely.
Alright.
If a medic can't get to you, wait for 1 minute, go out of line of sight.
Anybody
respond.
medic or
60-second bleed out, yeah?
Anybody can medic, yeah.
You
anybody
guys are
can
paying
medic.
attention, right? Okay.
Okay.
So we're all clear? Any questions?
Also, hey, Dan Bai is getting married soon. Everyone congratulate Dan.
By shooting him, of
Hey,
course.
shoot the shit out of him. Right there.
Alright,
Thank you.
we want to think blue.
Yeah, blue to the ridge?
Sure.
Alright.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
We'll start
What's
in like
the
2
scenario?
minutes.
Just kill?
John Greel,
Keep that back, yeah, let's go.
Bonus.
Bonus points if you shoot Sean.
Extra bonus points if you shoot Dan.
Wait the bind. Not this day.
Don't worry, man. I got your back.
I could just walk out in the field with my ass hanging out.
What are you?
Last night I let the party get the best of me. Waking up in the morning, 2 hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arresting me. Good weed and cold drinks, that's the motherfucking recipe. Nigga, and we roll deep, so deep. It's going down in this bitch. Concrete, we gon' party all night. No sleep, tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The bitches, the hotel, the weed is all free. Get high, I mean so high we don't see the whole suite. Then fly to a level where you gon' need your own key. TGOD. No jobbing, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. No jobbing, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. Leaving from the club, now she wanna stay with us. Came to spend it all, don't care what I'm paying for. Used to be too young, now I'm out here buying a bar. Every time I look up, it's another red cup. Bunch of niggas in the game, but they ain't playing with us. They just playing enough. Man, Man, them niggas ain't ballin', they just laying it up. Saying they does, I'm just rolling hella weed up while on my way to the club. I had to wait at the club, but now I don't, cause everything is on me. The drinks is on me, the bitches, the hotel, the weed is all free. Get high, me so high, we see the whole street. We fly, me so fly, we need a whole wing. TGO, no jobbing, no sleeping, live it up like it's the
Hit. Hit.
Nice one, man. Nice one. Nice one. By me? Yeah. Watch the left, sorry. Sorry. Watch the left, guys. Watch the left. Shit, they're still there. They're still. They're going? Go. One going up. Watch the right, man. Watch the right. Shoot. There are three on the hill. There are three on there. Stay low. Get on the rig. We got three on there. Three. We got three people now. See? Here. Yeah. On C. There's one guy there.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah. Chichi Mag. Here, AK. Go. You guys. You go first, guys. Okay. Move. Good luck, guys. Good luck, mate. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah. I can hardly see it there, man. You were just like, where's that? God.
God.
Oh yeah. I might put this along.
Honey, I'm home.
I don't have anything for you if you're home.
I know.
Find that.